What if one habit you repeat every single day is silently programming your Audi to fail? What if nothing feels wrong, no warning lights appear, and yet you are already accumulating a repair bill that can easily exceed $1,000? And what if by the time your dashboard finally lights up, the damage has already been done? Most Audi owners believe serious problems begin with warning lights. That belief is wrong. Modern Audi vehicles are designed to adapt, not complain. When a system detects behavior that increases stress, it doesn't alert you immediately. Instead, it compensates quietly. That compensation protects drivability and comfort in the short term, but it accelerates wear in the long term. The habit at the center of this episode is short driving cycles combined with electrical load. Short trips, frequent engine starts, heavy use of electronics, minimal recharge time. To the driver, this feels harmless. To the vehicle, it looks like constant stress. Every time you start your Audi, the battery delivers a massive electrical surge. On longer drives, the alternator restores that energy. On short trips, it doesn't. The system notices. It begins adjusting charging behavior, start-stop logic, power distribution, and system priorities. Your Audi learns that it cannot rely on full recovery. At first, nothing happens. Then the battery spends more time in a low-charge state. Control modules stay active longer. Voltage stabilization systems work over time. This is where cost begins stacking invisibly. Electrical modules are extremely sensitive to voltage quality. Even slight instability increases internal heat, accelerates component fatigue, and shortens lifespan. The car doesn't warn you because technically, nothing has failed yet. And that's the trap. Before we continue, if you own an Audi and want to avoid expensive electrical repairs before warning lights appear, subscribe to the channel. This series explains how Audi systems actually learn from daily behavior and how to stop damage before it becomes expensive. In the next part, we'll break down exactly how Audi's electrical system responds internally, why the dashboard stays silent, and how this habit quietly turns into a four-figure repair. Audi's electrical architecture is not passive. It continuously monitors voltage stability, recovery time, load distribution, and usage patterns. Every short trip feeds data into that system. When recovery time is consistently insufficient, the car adapts by protecting itself, but not your wallet. The system begins prioritizing essential modules while limiting others. Comfort features, background control units, and monitoring systems remain active longer to stabilize voltage. That extended activity drains the battery further, creating a feedback loop. This is why many owners experience the first symptoms as random warnings. Not one clear failure, but many small ones. A message disappears after restart. A sensor fault clears itself. Start-stop stops working. The car feels slightly sluggish on startup. Each of these is not the problem. They are signals of adaptation overload. Eventually, the weakest component fails first. Often it's the battery. But the damage rarely stops there. Control modules exposed to unstable voltage can fail silently, sometimes months later. That's where costs escalate. A battery replacement alone may cost several $100s. A voltage-damaged control module, easily over $1,000. Multiple modules affected, that's how you reach $2,500 to $4,200 repairs. And here's the critical detail. Workshops often replace the failed part, but the habit remains. Without changing behavior, the new component enters the same damaging cycle. That's why some Audi owners face repeated electrical issues even after repairs. In the next part, we'll cover how to stop the damage completely, without tuning, without modifications, and without expensive tools, just by changing how the system experiences your daily use. Stopping this damage does not require modifying your Audi, flashing software, or buying expensive aftermarket parts. It requires changing what the car learns from you. Modern Audi systems are adaptive by design. They constantly adjust based on patterns, not single events. This means one short trip won't hurt anything. The damage begins when short trips become the dominant pattern and the system never experiences proper recovery. The primary goal is restoring electrical recovery cycles. A recovery cycle happens when the alternator has enough uninterrupted time to recharge the battery fully, stabilize voltage, and allow control modules to return to their baseline operating state. Without this, the system remains in a semi-protective mode that increases internal stress. One longer drive per week can dramatically reduce long-term damage. This doesn't need to be aggressive driving. It simply needs to be consistent and uninterrupted. Another critical habit is what you do before shutting the engine off. Turning the car off immediately after heavy electrical use, heated seats, defrost, infotainment, lights, traps the system in an unstable voltage state. Giving the car even a short idle period helps normalize electrical load. Many drivers disable start-stop permanently, believing it solves the issue. In reality, start-stop deactivation is often the result of electrical stress, not the cause. When the system disables it, Audi is protecting components from further voltage instability. Ignoring that signal allows damage to continue silently. When recovery cycles improve, several things happen internally. Voltage becomes consistent. Control modules reduce compensation behavior. Internal temperatures stabilize. Electrical noise decreases across the network. This directly extends the lifespan of sensitive components like body control modules, gateway modules, and infotainment units. These are parts that are extremely expensive when they fail. Most importantly, the system stops preparing itself for failure. In the next and final part, we'll explain why so many Audi owners still end up paying thousands, even after replacing batteries or fixing faults, and how to avoid becoming one of them. Most expensive Audi repairs don't start with abuse, neglect, or reckless driving. They start with misinterpretation. Owners see warning lights as the beginning of a problem. In reality, warning lights are usually the final stage of a process that started months or even years earlier. By the time a message appears, the system has already been compensating silently. This is why repairs feel sudden and unavoidable. A battery replacement seems to fix the issue. Then months later, another fault appears. Then a control module fails. Then the same warning comes back. From the owner's perspective, it feels like bad luck. From the car's perspective, nothing changed. The habit that caused the damage was never corrected, so the new components enter the same stressful environment as the old ones. This is how a $300 battery replacement slowly turns into a $2,500 to $4,200 electrical repair. Two identical Audi vehicles can age completely differently based on how they are used, not how they are maintained. One owner unknowingly trains the system into constant compensation mode. The other gives the system the conditions it needs to operate normally. Same car, same mileage, very different outcomes. The most dangerous part is that the damaging habit feels normal. It feels responsible. It feels harmless. And that's why it's so expensive. If there is one thing to remember from this episode, it's this: your Audi is always learning. Every drive teaches it something. Make sure it learns stability instead of stress. If this episode helped you understand where expensive electrical damage really comes from, continue with the next episode in the series. We'll expose another common Audi habit that quietly reduces performance and increases repair costs long before any warning light appears. And if you want to stay ahead of problems instead of reacting to them, make sure you're subscribed. This channel exists to explain what workshops never show you before it costs you thousands.